What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to discuss this really important topic. Anti-aging foods which gives you beautiful, youthful, glowing skin. Your skin is the window to your health. By looking at your skin, people can tell what sort of person you are, what sort of eating habits you have, what sort of lifestyle you have. So it's really important to look after your skin from inside as well as from outside. Since the aging process starts from inside of your body, it's only logical to start looking after the inside of your body first. Because if your body is healthy from inside, it's gonna reflect on the outside. Your skin is gonna look fresh, your skin is gonna look bright, your skin is gonna look glowing, and your skin is gonna look youthful. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna discuss about the anti-aging foods which nourishes your body from inside, which delays your aging process, so you can have beautiful, youthful, glowing skin. So if you wanna learn, keep on watching. Who are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Anna. I am a fully qualified cosmetic nurse. Apart from being on YouTube, I also work in a skin clinic where I treat men and women from different backgrounds for various skin concerns. I make 2 videos a week, every Tuesday and every Saturday. And if you want to learn my tips, subscribe right here and press on that bell icon and you will never miss out on another video. So on number 6 we have yogurt. Yogurt is full of prebiotics, as you know, and prebiotics are really helpful in improving our digestive health or in improving our gut health. Lots of skin concerns arise if we have got bad digestive or gut health. Yogurt also reduces the redness and inflammation associated with acne. In many countries including India, where I'm from, people use yogurt as a face mask because yogurt makes your skin feel instantly soft, smooth and silky. Plus yogurt has lactic acid in it, and lactic acid is a very well known exfoliant. It removes all the dead skin cells of your face, and once those dead skin cells are gone, they are replaced by new, fresh, juicy, plumpy and healthy skin cells, giving your face a more brighter and more youthful appearance. Then on number 5 we have honey. Apart from being really yummy, honey has got a lot of other health benefits. First, honey is really moisturizing for our skin. A lot of people who make their own face masks at home, they use honey because of its moisturizing properties. Honey also has got antibacterial properties. You must have heard Manuka honey is used worldwide to treat many different type of wound infections, and because of its antibacterial properties, honey is also very helpful in treating acne flare-ups. On number 4 we have everybody's favorite green tea. Green tea is full of antioxidants, and antioxidant helps us fighting free radicals, which causes the aging process. People who drinks green tea multiple times a day or drink green tea on regular basis, they have less fine lines and wrinkles compared to people who do not drink green tea, because green tea also protects you from the harmful effects of sun because of its antioxidant properties. But saying that, just because you drink green tea several times a day, it doesn't mean that you should not apply your sunscreen. Sunscreen you have to apply every day, you drink green tea or you don't drink green tea. And green tea is also really helpful in improving our gut health. People who drink green tea on regular basis, they rarely suffer from gut health issues like upset tummy, diarrhea or constipation, etc. Then on number 3 we have got avocados. Avocados are another really yummy food. Australians love avocados. Smashed avocado on toast is a very popular Australian breakfast. Avocados are really nourishing to our body and really nourishing to our skin. Avocados make our skin feel soft, supple and elastic. Avocados also boosts our skin's immunity. It strengthens our skin's barrier system. Our skin's barrier system is really important to fight against the environmental damages like UV rays, bacteria, viruses, weather which is too hot and too cold. So we always need our skin's barrier system to be really strong, and avocado helps to strengthen our skin's barrier system. So on number 2 we have nuts. Nuts are full of omega-3 fatty acids, zinc and vitamin E. Omega-3 fatty acids strengthen our skin's barrier system and protects our skin from environmental damages like UV rays, bacteria, viruses, harsh weather and stuff. And vitamin E is a very powerful antioxidant which fights the free radicals and hence delays the aging process and reduces the fine lines, wrinkles and other signs of aging. And zinc has got very healing and soothing properties. Zinc is very well known to treat many different kind of wound infections, and zinc is found in most of the sunscreens because of its healing and soothing properties. And apart from omega-3 fatty acids, zinc and vitamin E, nuts are also full of other minerals which makes your skin soft, smooth and glowing. And nuts are also known to have B vitamins and vitamin C. B vitamins are very well known to control the oil production. Hence they are really helpful if you have got oily and acne prone skin because they regulate oil production in our body. And vitamin C, as you all know, is again a very powerful antioxidant. Apart from being antioxidant, it really hydrates our skin, it brightens our skin, and most importantly vitamin C stimulates the collagen production, which gives us support to our face, which gives structure to our face, which gives us more youthful appearance. So almonds, cashews and walnuts are full of nutrients, full of vitamins and minerals which are nourishing for our body, and people also use almond oil for dry skin. So on number 1 we have fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines and tuna. You all know that fish is really healthy for our body because fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. And what does omega-3 fatty acids do? Omega-3 fatty acids make our skin soft, smooth, supple. It boosts our skin's immunity. It strengthens our skin's barrier system so our skin can fight against the environmental damages like UV rays, too hot, too cold weather, bacteria and viruses. Then fish has got anti-inflammatory properties as well, which is helpful in the treatment of acne and eczema. You know, fish is also packed with vitamin E. And you know what does vitamin E do? Vitamin E is a very powerful antioxidant. It fights with the free radicals which causes aging process or which accelerates our aging process, and hence it reduces the fine lines and wrinkles. So we must include fish in our diet. We have to eat fish couple of times a week. Then fish has also got zinc, and zinc has really good wound healing properties, and zinc is also really calming and soothing, and that's why zinc is used in most of the sunscreen. So these are some of the anti-aging foods we should include in our diet to reap all the benefits. Some of my favorites are green tea. I drink 4 to 5 cups of green tea every single day. Avocados are my absolute favorite. Smashed avocados on toast is my favorite breakfast. I also love almonds and I eat almonds for my morning tea. So that's all about today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video and got some useful tips out of it. If you enjoy enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and leave your opinion in the comment section, because your opinion is really important for me to improve my videos. And I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.